Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a really amazing video for all of the vloggers out there. To be honest, I saw this vlogging kit on Daraz.pk some time ago, and the reviews were so good and it was having some really good ratings that I decided to buy one for myself. So this thing is going to cost you around 18 to 1900 rupees. That includes shipping also. And the thing that amazed me the most is the amount of products you are getting in this price point. So in the box, the things you are going to find are a tripod itself. You are going to find a mount for the smartphone. You are going to find an LED light, which is the best part about this deal. And you are going to find a mic. Not only that, you are also going to find a remote in order to capture the video if you want to start recording or stop recording. Similarly, you can also use this remote to take a picture also, which is super nice. So talking about the tripod itself, it's a handheld tripod. It also has two legs which fold inwards. So if you like to convert this into a tripod, into a standing tripod, all you have to do is just fold the legs outwards, and you can basically turn into a small stand which you can place in order to film somewhere. So you can put it on table, you can put it on any other place. It's kind of nice and stabilized. Up top you are going to see a smartphone mount, which is okay, which isn't the best one I have seen. It does feel a little flimsy, and especially if you have a heavy smartphone, then it does feel a little bit the way like it's going to come apart. Up top you are going to find an LED light, which is the best part I like about this deal. Not only this LED light is really nice and bright, but also it's powered by batteries. The great part is you can really easily replace the batteries. You don't have to worry about charging. The bad part is you have to replace them, which does cost some money every time this runs out of batteries. Last but not least is the mic itself. To be honest, I really like the mic, but the voice quality or the recording audio is really good. But I think I don't like is the fact it's using a 3.5 mm wire, or due to which like all new smartphones are more into USB-C. So I really have to carry a USB-C to 3.5 mm adapter in order to plug this into my smartphone. So talking about vlogging with this one, I think this thing is really nice and good for the price you are paying. When you're holding this in your hand for the first time, it does feel like it's going to come apart or it's going to fall off, but after using it for some time, it gets really nice and steady. One thing I'm going to recommend is to get rid of the mic up top, or just don't put all the accessories at once, because that really makes it a little bit flimsy. If you have like just a tripod, the tripod mount and a light, this thing is quite good. So when you put the mic up top, this thing gets really tall, due to which it isn't really that stabilized, which is something really important. And talking about the remote which comes with this one, it's super nice and easy to pair. All you have to do is just turn it on by the key on the right hand side. Just flip this button upwards and it's going to show a blue light. Then you have to go into your Bluetooth settings and you can definitely pair with this remote. For all of the new vloggers out there, I think this setup is really good for the price you are paying. There isn't a lot of room to complain, to be honest. If I talk about advantages, the first thing would be the price point is really good. The secondly, the amount of accessories you are getting. You are getting a flashlight, you are getting a mic, you are getting a tripod, and you are getting a smartphone mount. Everything you really need to start a vlogging setup. And another thing that I really like is the remote. So it's very nice and easy to turn on and off. Like if you are recording, you want to start recording or stop recording. Talking about the disadvantages or the things I don't like about this vlogging setup, the first one being is it's a little bit flimsy. When you put everything on it, the tripod feels like it's kind of not really that stabilized due to quality, I guess. The second thing is the flashlight. Even though the intensity is really good, it can really help you make some really good vlogs, but if you use the light quite a lot, then you have to replace the batteries again and again, which is going to cost you. But the great part is you can find a similar type of light on Daraz.pk, which is powered by USB-C. If you want to change that, that's also an option right there. But overall, for the price you are paying, I think this thing is really nice and good. If you want to buy this kind of setup, I will put the link in the description. So with that being said, like the video if you like it. If you're new, consider subscribing, become a part of this channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye.